Last topic, horticulture. The generic care or selection of indoor plants. The care of indoor plant. Most indoor plants require regular attention. जैसे हो गया एयर टेम्परेचर, वाटरिंग, ह्यूमिडिटी, रिपोर्टिंग, क्लीनिंग, फीडिंग, पॉनिंग और पेस्ट कंट्रोल, लाइट रिक्वायरमेंट. Air temperature, adapt given temperature, thrive in warm temperature, avoid constant change in temperature. In uh, watering, underwatering causing wilting, overwatering drain of nutrition and soil and root water. So, both are dangerous and depend on the various factors: season, age, and type of plant, temperature, size of pot, etc. Less water in winter for thick leaves or fresh potted plants. Use water that is neither too chilled or nor too warm. Preferable rainwater, and pour it into the soil. Humidity, browning and wilting of tip in AC room. uh, plant plant lose water from a porous leaf. uh, place plant on wet pebbles. Group of plant together, spray some water on leaves. Potting and repotting, use a light mix of soil of potting plants. A good mixture is made of equal quantity of leaf. These are lifty. If root forms a close network within the soil container and begin to come out of pot. Clean. Regular clean reduce the risk of attack and of by inspect. Spray or sponge the leaf with water and dry with the afterward. Feeding and fertilizing. Proper balance of NPK, nitrogen for stem and leaf, phosphorus for root, potassium for general sturdiness. Available reading made frequently Paris. Pruning, terming of plant of variety of reason. Grow burish, desired shape, get rid of disease plant. ये होता है pruning. Pest control तो हमें पता ही है. Some inspect are small that are there are present is not noticed until the plant shows sign of ill health. Suspicious symptom जैसे molting or yellowing of leaf. A fine white network like cobweb, mildew, which produce as whitish powder on leaf. Avoid insecticide treatment on a sunny days. Avoid insecticide on a delicate leaf. Use protective gear and occasionally light sparing of eco-friendly perspective. Pesticides will kill plant. We will keep plant safe from pets. Light requirement. Natural light for proper growth. Careful placement. Dark green leaf can grow in sufficient artificial light. Rotation of plant. If possible, near natural light. Light provides the energy source needed for plant to manufacture food. Selection of indoor plant, complementing decor and a part of interior decoration. Appropriate size. Depending on the area they are being kept in. For example, it would be mistake to have a plant that climbed to a great height in a low ceiling, a very large bushing plant in a small a narrow. Appropriate size होना चाहिए, easy to care होना चाहिए, placement फुल्ली लाइट एंड एयर रिक्वायरमेंट होनी चाहिए, और सुटेबल कंटेनर होना चाहिए, और नॉन मैसी होना चाहिए। और फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट के लिए बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट जो हमें यूज़ चाहिए, तो वो चाहिए हमें मशीन्स, मैकेनिक equipment, container, bases, accessories, plants, material and support. Machine, these are item used, mechanics, these are item used to keep the flower flowage and stem in place within the container. The mechanic must be fixed securely and should be hidden from view. There are floriform osses, the cellular plastic material which has the ability to hold water but cannot be reused, and is expensive. There are two types: green form, these needed to be soaked in water and shaped form found are mostly round and block and is used for fresh flower arrangement. Brown green form used only for dry arrangement and artificial display material. Beeswax, it is used to anchor, it is used beeswax में क्या होता है, it is another anchor that pin holder to the container and prevent it forms prevent it from shifting while arrangement flower. और chicken wear और wear mesh and wear netting, ये मैकेनिक्स के पार्ट्स हैं. इट इज़ यूज टू कवर फ्लोरल फॉर्म ब्लॉक्स. इट इज़ अ टू टाइप, galvanized wire and plastic coated wire. Pin holder, एक पिन होल्डर होता है. A series of a sharply pointed pins are firmly held in a solid lead base, which may be circular or rectangular in shape, but it holds thick and heavy stem secularly by implying them on pins. It is placed on a shallow discs or other mechanics for display. Prongs क्या होता है? This is the simplest type of roller form anchor. It is the smallest plastic disc with a four particle prongs. The base of prongs is attached to container and with adhesive clay and block of round floral form is pressed down onto the prongs. Florist and ऐसे ही एडेसिव है, ऐसे ही एडेसिव टाइप है, और ऐसे ही पेबल्स एंड मिरल्स मार्बल्स है. एक बार हम पढ़ ही लेते हैं फॉर फ्लोरिस्ट को. इट इज़ एक्ट एज अ मिनिएचर वेस विच इज़ फेयर. इसको ऑनलाइन देख लेते हैं, कि ऑनलाइन देख लेंगे कि ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. Equipment, this is include tools or other aids used to prepare flower arrangement. Buckets, सीजर्स, ये हमें इक्विपमेंट चाहिए रहते हैं. बकेट चाहिए रहता है, सीजर्स चाहिए रहते हैं हमें, सिकेचर चाहिए रहता है, मीज़र चाहिए रहती है, वाटर चाहिए रहता है, प्रॉन्ग्स चाहिए रहते हैं, प्रॉन्ग यूज टू होल्ड कट फ्लावर्स, नाइफ चाहिए रहता है, पेंट चाहिए रहता है, कंटेनर में वैश चाहिए रहता है, जग चाहिए रहता है, बास्केट और बाउल चाहिए रहता है। बेसिस किस बेसिस में बना है? बेसिस में आता है हमारा an object that is placed underneath and the container to protect the surface of a support. For example, a straw and bamboo of plastic table mat, your a straw or a bamboo, a cross section of a tree, यही बेसिस है। और एक्सेसरीज है, देयर आर नॉन प्लांट मटेरियल इंक्लूडिंग इन और प्लेस अलॉन्ग साइड द अरेंजमेंट। एग्जाम्पल आर बास्केट, मिनिएचर डॉल, बेबी सोस, grain scoops, ribbons, artificial glitter, bread, candle, and painted wire, cells or pebbles. Plant material के any arrangement consist of flower, foliage and filler. Example flower, foliage and filler, ये plant के material है। Type and style of flower arrangement. Different style of flower arrangement can be found. Um, there are as follows based on an angel of view. All around, this is a design to be seen from all side and is placed on a table centerpiece. And facing front office, facing front view and flat back, designed only to be seen from front or side and placed on a self board based on a space present. Mass style arrangement in all around one. Line style, most of a display is done in line and limited use of plant material. Example, line mass style, the skeleton is done by line material and then filled it with flowers. Example, triangular shape, circular shape, miscellaneous style, parallel style, landscape style. Based on size, shape, horizontal arrangement, vertical arrangement, triangular arrangement, or oval arrangement, or crescent arrangement, parallel style. Based on type of plant material used, foliage age arrangement, dried flower arrangement. Based on the effective formal arrangement, semi-formal arrangement, informal arrangement. Formal arrangement, modern or eastern. Based on the type of हो गया है, based on the effect. फॉर्मल सेमी फॉर्मल ये सब हो गया। ईस्टर्न हो गया हमारा। ईस्टर्न के अंदर हमारा आता है सिन, सॉई, हाइकी। Placement for flower arrangement, lower level, eye level or high level. Lower level on the floor up 8 inches. Eye level is 18 inches to 4 feet. High level is 5 foot and above. Principle of design as applied to flower arrangement. The basic principle of art are also applicable to art of flower arrangement. The principle are follows. Design, all arrangements should be proper design with scaling, minimize size relationship between component part, scaling में देखना है, balance करना है, it shows the way in material growth in a design, a physical as well as visible balance होना चाहिए, physical balance होना चाहिए, symmetrical balance होना, asymmetrical balance होना, balance by the placement होना चाहिए. Means that arrangement is placed on one side as long basis. Balanced by accessories means that anything from fringe to leave maybe on the weaker side. विजिबल बैलेंस होना चाहिए, सुटेबल बैकग्राउंड होना चाहिए, मतलब स्टाइल ऑफ रूम, साइज ऑफ रूम, टाइप ऑफ वॉल सरफेस एंड पर्टिकुलरली वैरायटी ऑफ प्लांट टेक्सचर, रिदीम हमारा होना चाहिए, यूजिंग ऑफ ग्रेजुएटिंग साइज, यूजिंग कर्व स्टेम, यूजिंग foliage, having a irregular line of various, emphasize harmony, disinfectant, using unusable material, unusable method of emphasize has been used. ये distinction है ये, either use arrangement has it or not, it is achieved by finish is perfect. Condition of plant material. When to cut, the plant should be cut earlier in morning or late light evening when it is ready to transmission of lowest and flower is filled with the moisture. How to cut? Using a sharp cutting instrument, cutting diagonally across the stem to have clean or cut providing maximum area for water absorption. Immediate impression. Once cut plants, materials should be immediately immersed in water to prevent wilting. Hardening. Plants should be allowed to be stand water 8 depth for 6 hours before arrangement, ensuring absorption of water. Cutting underwater. Stem should be cut underwater to prevent air bubble forming within the stem, which cause water to wilt, so that maximum water absorption take place. Searing. Stem which emits a milky white shape when cut should be either be held over a flame or placed in boiling water for a few seconds to prevent the life giving sap from draining off. Shearing. Excessive leaving should be removed as they give a tangled appearance, increase transmission, cause decay and unpleasant odor. Customized and personalization of a guest room to enhance guest experience. Smart technology integration. Customize in-room amenities, room design and decor or customization, personalized and entertainment option, tailored food and beverage. Customization personal guest room is enhanced. Local based personalization. Loyalty and done.